Hey everybody! It's another morning, which means it's another day of walking Alfie. Yeah, it's like 8:30ish, and there's a crew near this tree stump, and yeah, took Alfie for another walk along Philosopher's Walk. It's pretty nice. It's fairly warm out. Just kind of hanging out. Let him lay in some grass. The construction guys were removing that stump. And yeah, fed Alfie. Fran is coming back tomorrow, so spent some time tidying up / making it how it was before she left. Yeah, vacuumed up a little bit because, you know, seemed like it could use some vacuuming. Pet Alfie because he's into that. Also, removed those sheets, put them into the wash. Yeah, yeah, after hanging out at home for a bit, got on one of the bike share bikes and then rode over to the No Frills. It's the day after Thanksgiving, and I'm like, I want more turkey. And yeah, so I bought a turkey for like $15-ish. And like that turkey was $36, and then it was something like 13 or 15. I feel like pretty good price for a turkey. Although this is like the second time I've ever bought a turkey, so I don't know, who knows. And I got my replacement inner tube, but no time for that now. I'm going over to Adam and Don's because it's another book club tonight. And yeah, we had another book club meeting, so that podcast will probably go up eventually. Then yeah, we walked through Yorkville for a bit and just kind of around. Oh, and then we wanted to explore an alleyway because why not, you know? Kind of neat back here. Good old Adam in his glasses. Yeah, kind of had to pee. So I'm just gonna take one of these bike share bikes straight home. Well, not straight home. I went over to Fran's. Figured to probably check on Alfie one last night. But yeah, he seemed more interested in just laying around instead of going for a night walk. So yeah, went home. It's probably like 10-ish right now. Maybe 11? I forget. But yeah, it's time to replace the inner tube. I'm sure some of you are like, why not just patch your tube? Which I feel like works sometimes, but well, for two reasons. I can't find where my patch kit is, and I feel like whenever I do use a patch, they always start to leak air. It's not as nice as just having a new tube. And yeah, this tube was $8 from Amazon, which is pretty nice since it cost somewhere like $30 if I was to get it done at my usual bike shop, the Bike Depot. But yeah, I feel like I did a pretty decent job. It got pretty dirty. Probably should have wore gloves. And my tire didn't pop instantly, so hopefully it's not like pinched or anything. But yeah, we'll find out later on the quest if it holds up.